Oh, Mommy. Good one.
I just want to say you all look so great tonight, and I really appreciate that you brought your children. Yeah, and I just want to remind you this is not a fucking playground. Because I told you about the kid thing, so...
Drew Barrymore used to always come up to me. Okay, first of all, you're totally not. That is so, like, shallow and materialistic to say that to you. You're a beautiful human being. Angela, I have 3 words for you. Love, hope, and sparkles. Try and get Jennifer Aniston involved, you know. Jennifer? Yeah. Tell her. Oh, great. Okay. You look so great.
Law offices. Hey, Penelope. Yes, he's on the phone.
No, you're not interrupting anything. I just don't know if you can come to the phone right now. Well, it's hard to understand you too. I just keep hearing banana something. Banana, I don't know.
Hey, this trip is supposed to be fun, okay? Put your seatbelt back on.
I can't, it's around the cooler. I can't, it's gonna be the cooler.
Stop it.
I'm gonna stop this car.
Can't you two just get along, okay? We're gonna be in Florida in 20 hours.
I wanted to go swimming.
Your mother just called and we're doing a Thanksgiving dinner.
What do we need?
Everything. I have the worst cramps. Do you have anything?
Lots of things for cramps, honey. Get this.
But I'm bloated too.
I'm good for fatigue.
You know, I've got my period. What I really need is Midol.
I'm joking.